Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a fish hook with a can. Start by carefully detaching the pull tab from an aluminum can, making sure to keep the small, circular eyelet intact, as this will be crucial for your fishing line. You'll also need a few basic tools, a pair of wire cutters or a strong knife for shaping, and a small file or even a rough stone for sharpening. Before you begin, give the tab a quick clean to remove any residue and check for any existing sharp edges. Now let's shape your hook. Using your wire cutters or knife, make a small, angled cut into the bottom hole of the tab. This cut will begin to define the hook's point. Next, carefully trim away any excess metal around this cut, gradually forming the classic curved shape of a fishing hook. To help secure your catch, gently bend a tiny piece of metal near the point to create a small barb. A sharp hook is vital for success. Take your file or abrasive stone and begin sharpening the hook's point. It's important to maintain a consistent angle, ideally between 30 and 45 degrees as you file. Apply firm, even pressure, making about 5 to 7 strokes on each side of the point. You can test its sharpness by lightly dragging it across your thumbnail. A truly sharp hook will catch without slipping. With your hook ready, it's time to attach your fishing line. Pass the line through the small, circular eyelet at the top of the can tab. Then, tie a reliable fishing knot like an improved clinch knot or a Palomar knot to ensure your line is securely fastened. These knots are known for their strength and will help prevent your catch from getting away. Now, add your bait and you're ready to fish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.